ever wondered how to describe someone's appearance more vividly and precisely in English? Today, we're exploring 13 excellent collocations related to people's appearance. First up is lovely complexion. A complexion refers to the natural color, texture, and appearance of a person's skin. So when we say someone has a lovely complexion, it means their skin looks healthy and attractive. For example, she has a lovely complexion, clear and glowing. Secondly, we have immaculately groomed. This refers to people who always look neat, clean, and stylish. It's often used for people who pay a lot of attention to their appearance. An example could be, he was always immaculately groomed, never a hair out of place. Moving on, youthful appearance is a phrase used to describe someone who looks younger than their actual age. An example use could be, despite being in his 40s, he maintains a youthful appearance. Next is well-built. This term is used to describe someone who has a strong, muscular body. An example might be, he was a well-built man with a strong, muscular physique. Bear a striking resemblance to someone is a phrase used when someone looks very similar to another person. For instance, she bears a striking resemblance to her mother. The sixth phrase, have a striking appearance, is used to describe someone who attracts attention because they look very unusual or very attractive. For instance, with his bright blue eyes and dark hair, he has a striking appearance. A dumpy woman is a less flattering term, often used to describe a woman who is short and quite heavy. An example would be, the dumpy woman in the corner was my Aunt Martha. Similarly, a portly gentleman is a polite way of saying a man is somewhat overweight, especially if he is also somewhat short. For example, the portly gentleman stood by the buffet table sampling the cheese. Our ninth collocation is a lanky youth. Lanky is used to describe someone who is tall and thin, often in a way that makes them look awkward. For instance, a lanky youth stood by the door, trying to blend in with the crowd. Next, slim figure refers to a body shape that is thin in an attractive or graceful way. An example could be, she has a slim figure like a ballet dancer. The 11th term, broad shoulders, is used to describe someone with wide shoulders, often implying strength or athleticism. For example, he had broad shoulders, the result of years of swimming. Slender waist refers to a thin or small waist. It's often used to describe an attractive feminine body shape. An example might be, she had a slender waist, accentuated by the belt she wore. Lastly, broad hips refers to wide hips. It's often used to describe a feminine, curvy body shape. For example, she had broad hips and walked with a confident sway. So to recap, today we've looked at 13 collocations related to people's appearance. Lovely complexion, immaculately groomed, youthful appearance, well-built, bear a striking resemblance to someone, have a striking appearance, a dumpy woman, a portly gentleman, a lanky youth, slim figure, broad shoulders, slender waist, and broad hips. Each of these phrases offers a more descriptive, vivid way to describe how someone looks. So next time you're trying to describe someone's appearance, why not experiment with some of these collocations?